Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday, October the 4th, 2025. It is early in the morning. It's still dark outside. It might be like 4:35 a.m. But it don't matter because I'm up. I'm up and full of energy. And guys, I just want to tell you, look what I found yesterday. It's beautiful, right? It is a Fuyu persimmon. Yes, persimmon. I know, guys. It's an exotic fruit. Yup, my new find. So, this is breakfast. And I have my rambutans. I absolutely love these. These was only $4.15. Can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it. This is how they look. These are absolutely delicious, guys. I mean, I love them. I love them so much. You guys should really try these. They are super sweet. They taste like a cross between a grape and a sweet peach. I don't know. It's just tropical. It's just like your mouth will sing if you have one of these, okay? So I'm trying to see if my mouth gonna sing when I eat one of these as well. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys me opening it, and I'm just gonna cut that off. Seeing what it looks like. Oh, it kind of looks like a kiwi, right? Like the little hairs and stuff that it has on there, like the kiwi. I want to be careful because I'm not trying to cut the seed, because you know I'm going to try to grow it. You know I'm going to try to grow it. So that is definitely a yes. So I'm going to cut it super thin because I don't know where the seed is. Hopefully there's a seed in here. Supposed to be. It's not looking promising. You know, they have a lot of different varieties of this persimmon fruit. So maybe this is just one that don't have a seed. Let's taste it. Let's show you. Look at, like, it looked like a star fruit too. No. Take it back. It tastes like a kiwi. Okay. Now, the purpose of me getting the fruit was to taste it. And I'm tasting it. It is good. Not super sweet, but good. But that's a good thing. I bet you there's no seed in here as well. Yep. So, if there's not a seed in here, I'm not going to be mad. But what I am going to do is go back to the store today and see if I can find another variety of the persimmon that might have a seed. This must be the seedless kind, because they do have seedless varieties as well. So the Fuyu is a seedless one, I believe, because there's no seeds in here. Look how fresh it looks. Yummy. Mmm. Okay. Okay. So, nope. No seed. It's okay. We show you this one just in case you never saw it. It's my breakfast, y'all. Get a lot of energy from fruit. But y'all sleeping on this stuff right here, boy. This is the best. If you don't know about rambutan, I'm telling you, you got to try it. Look at that. I love it. There's that seed. I have not been having a lot of luck with these guys. They're getting on my nerves. Child. I've been trying to grow up for months. It's not happening for me. It's okay. I'm going to try again. And keep trying. Because that's what I do. Ain't these so pretty? You know, I got to investigate. I bet you the skin has a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. Maybe I could grind it down and put it into one of my soaps. I'm going to investigate. I've been putting them in my compost pile. But I think I'm going to investigate these today to see if they have any uses or skin benefits. Just showing you don't have to use a knife. You could just use your fingers. Because it's really easy to open like this. When you eat it, you gotta be careful. The seed is right in the middle. So I usually like break it open. Like that. Because you see, you have to take all that stuff off inside of the fruit. I don't eat that part. Uh-oh. Dropped it. Okay. So I'll do one more. I'll let you guys go. Just in case you never saw it. That's how you do it. It's a real fresh one right here. Just see how the seed's sticking on there. I'm just over here smacking down y'all ear. Sorry. All right, guys. Got these seeds. I'm going to try again. Who knows? I'm having a little luck with one of them. It's starting to come. But I don't know. I'm just going to keep trying. Okay, guys. Check it in a minute. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.